ways to make money online in South Africa. That's what we are going to be talking about in today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you are watching. If you're new here, welcome, karibu. My name is Italki, and on this channel we talk about all things making money online, side hustle opportunities, and passive income. So if any of those topics sound exciting to you, you want to hit the subscribe button below, and once you have done so, make sure to hit the notification bell as well, so that every single time I shoot a new video, you do not miss out. So without much further ado, the #1 guaranteed way to make money online in South Africa is as an online tutor on Italki.com. And I have shot so many videos about my experience teaching on Italki.com, and you want to check them up here. But essentially, Italki.com is an online platform that brings together people who are interested in learning the various native languages around the world and brings them together with people who speak these native languages. So for example, if you speak Shona, or you speak Ndebele, or you speak Xhosa, or you speak Afrikaans fluently, then feel free to sign up on the Italki.com platform, and you can be sure to find so many other people around the world who are interested in learning these languages in South Africa. And if you're interested to know that what kind of students are you likely to meet on the Italki.com platform, check this video here where I share with you the different kinds of or categories of students you're likely to meet on the Italki.com platform. So one of the reasons why I like Italki.com is because unlike most other language learning platforms who focus on only the mainstream 9 African languages like Chinese and Spanish and English, Italki.com focuses on the native languages. So there are so many African languages you'll find on that platform, and so many people who are interested in learning those languages. And the other thing about Italki.com is that the sign-up process is so simple. You don't even need to be certified as a tutor or as a teacher. But if you're certified, it's an advantage for you. If you're not, it's fine. You can sign up as an online tutor, and this video up here breaks it down for you step by step on how you can sign up online as an online tutor on Italki.com. So if you do not have teaching certifications or teaching qualifications, then you will sign up on the platform as a community tutor. That's what I have done. And you can charge how much money you want. That's the beauty. If you are certified as a teacher and you have the certification, then you can sign up on Italki.com as a professional teacher. But there's no main difference. Like, you can be a community tutor and still make some decent cash on the platform. You can be a professional teacher and still make some decent cash on the platform. So that's definitely one you want to check if you're looking for ways to make money online in South Africa. #2 guaranteed way to make money online in South Africa is as a YouTuber. So I know not everybody is comfortable in front of the camera. Believe you me, I wasn't. It took a long time for me to be able to be comfortable on camera, but I'm so glad that I took the leap of faith. But the beauty with YouTube is that there are channels, so many channels that do not have faces, like faceless YouTube channels, and that are making money out here. So you can choose to either go with a YouTube channel where you are the brand of your channel, like in this case where I'm the one who shoots the videos. Alternatively, you can decide to go for a faceless YouTube channel. So for example, you can choose to use animations, for example. So you have like an informative YouTube channel, but you use animations instead of using your own face. And when you go to Fiverr.com, you can hire and outsource your entire YouTube channel and have people create the videos for you, shoot them for you, and even upload them for you if you want. Alternatively, you can get like a music channel where you just post like relaxing music, non-copyrighted music, and hopefully you're gonna get a large following in a short time. But if you're comfortable in front of the camera, then you can take advantage and shoot like entertainment videos. You can shoot gossip channels, like they sell like hotcakes, or you can even just become a vlogger and just share your world with your listeners or with your viewers. Now, how does one make money on YouTube? There are different ways you can make money on YouTube, but the most common one is using YouTube's partnership program, whereby YouTube, which is the same as Google, gets advertisers on your videos, and when your viewers watch those advertisements, then you get a cut of the money that the advertisers paid to YouTube. So what happens if, let's say, there's an advertisement on YouTube for Absa Bank on one of my videos, and Absa Bank pays $1,000 US. So 60% of that money will come to me as the YouTuber, and 40% will remain with the YouTube. So that's how you get paid through YouTube's partnership program. And for you to be eligible for YouTube's partnership program, you need at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and you need at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. Not a very easy feat, but it's doable. It takes some time, but it's something that can be done. If you're shooting informative content or you're shooting entertaining content, then it will be very easy for you to get subscribers and also to reach the 4,000 hours watch time. But before you even get to this threshold, you can post different affiliate links on your YouTube channel. So maybe if you check, like in this video, in the description box below, there's different affiliate links that I talk about, like there's Airbnb, there's Fiverr, different links that if you click on and you make a purchase, then at no extra cost to you, these companies that I have referred you to will pay me a commission. You can also get brand deals from different advertisers who want to work with you, and that's why it's very important that you keep your channel as clean as possible. That is something that an advertiser would be confident to advertise using your brand. So avoid profanity, avoid controversial issues on your channel, unless of course you're targeting like if I don't know, if you want to use a religious channel, if you're targeting the churches and the mosques and the like, or if it's a political channel and you're targeting the different political groups. But by all means, try to avoid the controversial topics, because especially if you're planning to work with brands, because it's going to be very difficult to work with reputable brands who do not want to be caught up in this kind of quagmires. Now, the advantage of making money online in South Africa as a YouTuber is because South Africa has one of the highest CPM. So CPM basically means cost per mil, and it also has the highest RPMs, which is the revenue per mil. This is basically how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 people that watch an advertisement on a YouTuber's channel. So if you can get your audience from South Africa, then your CPM is going to be very high, because the advertisers in South Africa, the brands in South Africa, are willing to pay top dollar just to be featured on the different YouTubers' channels. So that's why starting a YouTube channel in South Africa with a South African audience will pay so much more, for example, than somebody who has a similar YouTube channel, similar viewership from Kenya, because of this CPM. So if you're based out of South Africa and you want to make money online, then you want to consider starting your own YouTube channel. Number 3 guaranteed way you can make money in South Africa is as a transcriber. So basically, the work of a transcriber is to convert voice or audio content into written form. So for example, this video, if you want to transcribe it, then you can convert what I am saying into written form. So that's what you'll be doing. And there are so many platforms where you can start up from, for example, rev.com, or alternatively, you can decide to go, on your own. The only advantage by starting with the different freelancing platforms is that they have a ready customer base. There's already people who are looking for transcribers. So you just have to list your profile up there and then hoping the customer will come to you. But alternatively, if you feel you have what it takes, then you can go and sort out for your own customers. You can do cold calling, cold emailing, use LinkedIn, use your personal networks, and ask people, let people know that Eva is here. She is a transcriber and she'll be happy to transcribe your content for so much dollar for, I don't know, 1 minute audio. Yeah. So just check out the different transcribing websites and what the requirements are. Number 4 way you can make money online in South Africa is using the Etsy.com platform or any other platforms whereby you can sell your African courier products. So basically, we have very, very rich culture here in South Africa, and you can share that culture with the world. So that whether could be, like the different woven baskets that we have, it could be our traditional African fabrics, it could be our traditional, the beaded earrings, beaded necklaces, just the beaded jewelry. This is something that is appreciated so much, not only by the Africans in the diaspora and the Africans in America, for example, but just even the non-Africans really appreciate our rich culture. And this is something that you can sell on the different platforms. My favorite one is Etsy.com because it's a platform that brings together makers of handmade items and customers who love this handmade items. So there's already a ready customer base, and the platform is designed in a way that makes it so easy to sign up and even to showcase this African courier products or any other handmade products for that matter. The beauty again with Etsy.com is that you can also sell digital products. So check this video up here where I talk about the different digital products that you can actually sell on the Etsy.com platform. If, for example, you think that sourcing these items or making them and then shipping them is too much of a hassle, then you want to consider the digital items. Number 5, last but not least way guaranteed to make money online in South Africa is as a voiceover artist. One thing I am so proud of right now is that the world is slowly but surely embracing authenticity. If somebody wants to create content, let's say for the South African market, unlike in the past where people would go for a voice, I don't know, maybe an American voice or a British English voice for their voiceover services, more and more brands are embracing our local South African culture, and they would love for a voiceover artist that is authentic and has the local South African accent. Take advantage of this, guys, and there are so many ways you can start up as a voiceover artist in South Africa. You can decide to sign up and create your profile on a website like Fiverr.com, or you can use Upwork.com. Alternatively, you can also just promote your brand individually. And one way I would do that is starting my own YouTube channel or starting my podcast and let people fall in love with your voice, because the more people listen to your voice and love it, then they are likely to hire you to work for them as a voiceover artist. You can also take advantage when you are creating content for your YouTube channel or for your podcast. Let people know that Eva is a transcriber. If you're looking for a South African English accent, or you're looking for a Xhosa accent, or you're looking for a Ndebele accent, then come to Eva and you're gonna get that voiceover service. Well, guys, that's it for today in terms of how to make money online in South Africa. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I definitely look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye-bye.